real big. Oh my goodness, we have 1 and 2 and 3 little teepees.
I think K&L or Crohn's.
5 and 6 little teepees. Good. Perfect job.
Dong Thirdy, bango na kay dentistro nimo.
Thirds. Good morning. Good morning. Alik, mata na. Hoy. Thirds. Thirdy.
Breakfast yag panog. Spam. Kuman ana. Pag-toothbrush ha. Okay. Thumbs up dili. Ana.
I'm trying to brush the sides of his teeth.
Ganito iyahang nga rin. Ba.
Big mouth.
Ikaw dito de, di ka?
Biya ko be. Saan ako? Open your mouth, Ricardo.
Anak, tagoy, anak.
Open wide. Anak, smile. Give me a smile. Smile.
Ana.
Mana? We're good.
Ay, una dito to Lawrence.
Di duta nag attire ay. Toothbrush ka ba? Thirdy, toothbrush ka ba? Smile ka na mit ang ipon. Thirdy, ina hi.
Hi.
Okay. Abot na ta. Dong, abli dong.
Ay, tatlo. Oh, 91.4.
91.4. Thirdy, are you okay? Are you okay? Excited? Okay, excited. Thirdy.
Christina? February 13, 2000. Alright.
Thirdy,
The
Thirdy.
little one's birthday. September 11th, 2000. You three are gonna go that way with me. Alrighty. Your high Jess.
You're good.
Your high Jess will be out there in one
Okay,
moment.
thank you.
Thirdy. Tadang.
Look at our baby dito, brush. Kita ka? Ano? Kita ka na ng dentist. Open your mouth, baby. Then you open yung mouth and get na yung mirror lisod sa iyong baba para makita yung teeth. Kita ka? Umingon ang dentist.
Kuha yung kalo.
Open your mouth, Ricardo. Then yung isod ng mirror sa iyong baba.
We're gonna turn him chest to chest
Okay.
and spread his legs around you.
Okay, hold on. That.
Like you're hugging him. And then spread his legs. There you go. Put his head on my lap. Come here, buddy. Hi. Can we brush? Can we brush? Open big. Oh, he's got some decay.
And that one too in the front.
Yeah, what happened here? Here, hold on, buddy.
It has like an overlap, so it makes me like it's like a little harder to.
Open big, sweetie
Open big,
pie.
open
Yeah,
big.
he's got a lot of cavities, Mom. These back here. Open up, sweetheart.
Open.
These are gonna be crowns. They're deep. Let me see. Open, buddy.
You're good.
Open up. Hello.
How are you doing?
So this
Can I
is
help
his
over here?
first visit.
No way, so
Open big.
cool.
Yeah.
I am gonna need your handy dandy light.
Yeah, sure. And I'll sit down right after you as well. Hi there, how are you?
We have
Thank
some
you for sitting with him.
decay.
What's up, bud? No big deal there. I'll take a quick peek there as well.
Do you want to just go in and then tell me
Yeah.
what you want to do?
Yeah, and I'll put the fluoride on at the end, no problem.
All right, and then
How you doing?
Oh, look at.
Good. I'm at your mat.
Here.
And look, you can rest your head back just like that. Perfect.
Here.
We have your soft, easy fingers just coming around. Good. You see how one tooth is a little pushed back? Did
Yeah.
it ever fall and hit the face? at
No,
all?
it's been like that.
Since the beginning. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna use a soft mirror. Can you say ah real big? Oh my goodness, we have 1 and 2 and 3 little teeth. Real
Open
big.
your
Can you say
I think K&L or
4,
Crohn's.
5 and 6 little teeth. Good. Perfect job. So when we look at the teeth, you can see across here in the front, this little dark kind of oval
Yes.
area. We can clean that up and typically put just a little white filling across
Okay.
there. In between the teeth here, do you see how the teeth overlap?
Yes.
When they cross each other, the toothbrush can't always get in there, and you can see there's a little bit of decay on the back of that. Maybe I'll try to get a little filling in there as well,
Okay,
okay?
thank you.
Yeah. In the back of the mouth, do you see these areas here in the mirror?
Yes.
Little dark circles?
Yes.
Those are cavity bugs. When you look at them, you know, it's really tricky. You see that one in between there?
Yes.
What's really tricky about these is that we see the same thing. Can you give Mom a big hug? Give Mom a big hug.
Oh, you want to do the floor?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
We see the same thing. We see
Huh?
dark areas. We take an X-ray because the X-ray
Thumbs up,
says,
thumbs
is it
up.
this deep or this deep,
Okay.
right? If it's a little bit on those little areas. Good job, bud. Just like that. Good. You can say ah real big. Let's say ah. Well, you're such a good listener too. Are you always this good, huh? Are you always this
He's
good?
actually very nervous on our way.
Yeah. Well, you did fantastic, right?
Excited and nervous.
And then you can say ah. Perfect.
The moment he entered the door, he said he's excited.
Oh, did he? Oh, good. Well, good. Keep building him up and tell him how brave he was and how good he did. And that really helps them. The next time they come back, whoa, the cheese. So
Open,
this is,
open.
it's fluoride and it's in a sticky sap, like from a tree. And so he can eat and
Are you
drink.
okay, Thirdy?
He's like, what was
Are you
that?
okay?
Woo!
Thumbs up,
Great
thumbs up.
job. All right.
Thumbs up.
He
Okay.
can drink right away.
Okay.
But we want to not brush for a few hours
Okay.
until bedtime tonight. So we'll jot down a couple of things.
Galuyas kahadlok si Thirdy oy. Thirdy. Next door.
So the doctor does recommend extracting that baby. Okay? For the 109.50.